Metal lightsabers too for the Porsche 996 Turbo, C4S, and GT2 are better than ever. Compared to Generation 1, they are thinner, stronger, and have beautiful modern lines that better match those of the Porsche. Installation is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, secure the light fixture with tape. Second, remove the mount screws. Third, install your lightsaber reusing the mount screws. Lightsabers are available at these fine locations.